Hi all, just a quick one today. We're going to do a couple of quickies, just box openings to show you some what's new and what's come in lately. So first off, let's have a look at the new, this is Tamiya's all new tool, M18 Hellcat. This has been widely anticipated by a lot of people. The kit itself is very, very nice. The reviews I've read so far have been exceptional for it. The detail on the kit is just stunning. There's been a lot of comment about there's a lot of stuff that's being done as one piece rather than half a dozen pieces to do the interior parts or parts that are on the kit and everything else. The grill, there's the grill there. So, and there's more grill bits there by the look of it. What else? We've got all this fine work there. And the usual Tamiya quality, even things down to the tools are all to scale generally, so that you've got superb fit and finish type of thing. There's your, looks like part of the mantlet, I think. Machine guns there. So there you go. So there's all that. The hull is really, really good. There's lots of detail on it. So they've kept a lot of this sort of extraneous add-on parts or parts that need 10 pieces to put it together to make one item. It looks like to me it's got rid of a lot of that sort of stuff. So there's a lot more detail, but the detail is still really, really good. So they haven't skimped on it to do it. So that's the back end of it there. So they haven't sort of, as I said, skimped on the detail. So on this one, there's a part here, there's detail there, but there's also detail on the underside. Same with this one. Looks like part of the driver's compartment. This is the hull, the side running gear, things like that. Again, it's all got lots of nice detail on it. There's a lot of detail already fitted to the kit, so as I said, I've been saying that a bit. This is your machine guns, or a machine gun, a couple of machine guns by the look of it, and some clear parts. So there's that. This is the rest of your running gear. There's track. There's all your track parts. I believe the barrel, they were commenting on the barrel that is well, one piece, and it's got a hole drilled down the center of it. So that's very, very nice and well done. And as I said, very little flash. There's probably no flash at all. I've seen a couple of little spots, but even the ejector pins are all going to be in places you're not going to see in the future. Two choices of markings, usual instruction book. There is a figure with it as well, a commander by the look of it. There's your colour guides. There's your choice of colour guides there. There's not a lot of interior detail, and what is there is probably all you're really going to see, even with the hatches open fractionally or open. Yeah, so it's quite in depth. Usual Tamiya instructions and things like that. So look, from what I've read so far, this is a really, really nice kit. It's an all new tool, 35th scale tank. So I already had a couple of people looking for this the other day. So we've just got this in. So if you're looking for one, come and see us, or a couple or whatever, come and see us, or jump online, or if you're at Box Hill Way, drop into Box Hill, see them. You're not going to go wrong with this kit. There's as I said, the reviews on it, the figure, everything is just lovely. So yeah, pick it up, have a look. You'll probably end up taking it if you're a modeler. See you then. Have a great day. Bye.